This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jonathan Dahl. Don't miss this beautifully updated 4-bed/3.5 bath and unit condo completely renovated in 2020. Just under 2,000 square feet of living area with an attached one-car garage and detached storage shed/workshop off the spacious back deck. Plenty of storage for all your beach toys. All new bathrooms, electrical, paint, LVT flooring, carpets, light fixtures installed in 2020 in the recent renovation. Close to the beach, incredible restaurants, shopping, and only a mile from Interstate 264. Condo fee includes exterior maintenance, exterior windows, doors and roof, landscaping, water, sewer, and community saltwater pool.